Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about dogelonmars price prediction and dogelonmars news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for dogelonmars in 2022. Dogelonmars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelonmars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, Dogelonmars has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers, and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised to do due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. Today we will tell you news about Dogelonmars cryptocurrency. Elon Musk, Elon's brother, says he violently opposes cryptocurrency. Mining Bitcoin has been shown to consume an enormous amount of energy. A single BTC transaction is projected to eat up 2,292.5 kilowatt-hours of electricity, which is sufficient to run a normal US home for nearly 80 days. This is the reason why his brother Elon stopped accepting Bitcoin payments for Tesla vehicles last year, despite the fact that the electric car manufacturer still has roughly $2 billion in Bitcoin on its balance sheet. With over 200,000 transactions each day and counting, worry about crypto's environmental impact has grown. Tesla announced in a filing with the US Securities and Exchange Commission on February 8 last year that it had invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. Elon's younger brother stated last week that Tesla was initially completely ignorant of Bitcoin's environmental implications when it introduced the cryptocurrency to its balance sheet. Elon is the owner of the environmentally friendly restaurant business The Kitchen, and is reported to have a net worth of $700 million. He is on the boards of directors of Tesla and SpaceX, and holds a sizable stake in the space exploration company. Elon announced the development of a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, in December last year with the goal of enabling decentralized charity. He discussed a variety of issues with Input magazine, including his thoughts on wealth, and his food equality cryptocurrency initiative, Big Green DAO. BGDAO is built on the Ethereum blockchain, and provides each member with a single vote on the decentralized autonomous organization's decisions. On carbon footprints and being cautious, Elon did express optimism for Ethereum 2.0, which is expected to consume significantly less energy than Ether, and is also expected to be more secure. Meanwhile, environmentalists claim that cryptocurrency's rise is creating a massive carbon footprint, thereby contributing to the world's climate problem. Elon also shared the tips that his brother has given him when it comes to cryptocurrencies. To be honest, I have no idea what his position is on crypto, he told Input. The most important piece of advice I received from my brother is be cautious, he said. This Dogecoin spin-off once rallied by 4,276%, but still continues to surprise. When a coin happens to be valued at $0.0000008264, no one really cares about it. But because this meme token's name is associated with two of the most prominent crypto personalities, people do notice it. Named after Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the coin managed to rally by 4,276% within a month back in October 2021. However, since then, it has come down by 64.15%. But yesterday's rise placed the coin back in investors' observation. Elon rallied by 11.7% and closed right at the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The meme coin had already lost 50 and 100-day SMA back in January, and tested the 200-day SMA as support. Another close above it would enable the altcoin to recover soon. This is very important if Dogelonmars intends on bringing back investors to the network. Elon holders' activity is at its highest usually when the coin is trending. Like Shiba Inu holders, it diminishes in periods of bearish movement and revives when the meme coin rises. Consequently, of the 131k investors holding Elon, only 486 are currently active on average. Less active investors lead to lesser activity on-chain, which leads to a lack of flow of assets. In the last 2 months, the number of transactions on-chain has dropped 658 from 3.6k. And as a result, the 24-hour transaction volume also fell to $3 million at an average of $90 million. Trading and other purposes, now that Robinhood users will be able to embrace decentralization. Prior to that, Marcus shared his experience of sending Dogecoin from his Robinhood wallet for the first time. In the fourth quarter of 2021, the Menlo Park-based company recorded $48 million in cryptocurrency-related revenue, which marked a 6% drop compared to the third quarter. Notably, Dogecoin accounted for an impressive 40% of the aforementioned sum. In the second quarter, Dogecoin had a 26% share of Robinhood's total revenue, which reached $565 million. Let's get down to the latest news. This Dogecoin spin-off once rallied by 4,276%. When a coin happens to be valued at $0.000008264, no one really cares about it. But because this meme token's name is associated with two of the most prominent crypto personalities, people do notice it. Named after Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the coin managed to rally by 4,276% within a month back in October 2021. However, since then, it has come down by 64.15%. But yesterday's rise placed the coin back in investors' observation. Elon rallied by 11.7% and closed right at the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The meme coin had already lost 50 and 100-day SMA back in January and tested the 200-day SMA as support. Another close above it would enable the altcoin to recover soon. This is very important if dogelonmars intends on bringing back investors to the network. Elon holders' activity is at its highest, usually when the coin is trending. Like Shiba Inu holders, it diminishes in periods of bearish movement and revives when the meme coin rises. Dogelonmars is currently worth $0.00000076 United States dollars at $421,924,430, making it 126 on the most valuable coin list. Is Dogelonmars, Elon, a good investment? How much will Dogelonmars cost in 2025, or how much will Dogelonmars cost 10 years from now? The results of only observations for 2022, and this is what experts predict for this year. By 2022, Dogelonmars, Elon, appears to have reached price levels similar to their all-time high. By 2022, we expect the average rate to be $0.00000092. If all goes smoothly, we predict that the Dogelonmars market price could increase to $0.00000105 in 2022. But the next year will be more interesting for investment. In 2023, with higher consumption and partnership between important ranges, the price of Dogelonmars will skyrocket. The maximum trading price will reach $0.00000158 in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we keep them. If all goes well, we expect an average price of $0.00000132, with an expected price of $0.00000158 for 2023. If you are planning to invest for the long term, here is the forecast for 2024. Elon is discovered by potential. As signs and innovations are found, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investment in Dogelonmars, the price could be higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.00000221. Elon is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.00000192, a low price of $0.00000186, and an expected price of $0.00000221. Course forecast 2025 Elon will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the Dogelon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Dogelonmars price will be almost $0.00000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.00000326. Dogelonmars average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.00000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. Dogelonmars